do a rolling 45 on 3/4 galvanized. And this is rolling because we're rolling it over. So T is going to equal travel. O is going to equal your offset. And the equation that we're going to be zooming into is T equals O times 1.414. 1.414 is just one of those numbers that you're going to have to memorize. But lucky for you, it's very simple. So step number one, what we do is we find the center to center of these pipes. And for this instance, we're going to pretend that it's going to equal 10 inches. And so the distance from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. And so we're going to use that for our equation. So now we're going to go 1.414 times 10. And ultimately, we're going to get 14.140. So our travel is going to equal 14.140, but we have to remove what's called our takeoff. So the pipe isn't going to go directly center to center. What we have to do is we have to remove the distance from the center of the pipe to where the pipe ultimately goes into. So that's called your takeoff. And for 3/4 galvanized, it's approximately 1.125. But you have to remember you have two fittings, one on this side, one on this side. So we're actually going to multiply that by 2. And ultimately, we're going to get 2.250. So now what we can do is we can get our travel of 14.140 and subtract it by 2.250 to remove our takeoffs. And ultimately, we get 11.89 inches. So our travel, removing the takeoffs, our piece of pipe is going to be 11.89 inches. But if you go to your tape measure and you see, you're not going to find 11.89. So let's go ahead and convert it to the nearest eighth. So that's ultimately going to land us at 11 7/8. Super important to convert that to 7/8 at the end. And that is going to be our answer. If you guys want to know how to convert a decimal to the nearest eighth, or if you guys have any questions regarding this type of multiplication or this type of subtraction, feel free to let me know. I'm here to help you guys out. But this is a very simple way to do your rolling 45s on 3/4 galvanized. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.